Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nubia Pad 3D and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Confirm everything with your screen lock if you've got one. And if you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial. So now we can go back to the general settings and tap on the system. At the bottom we've got the developer options, and here all we have to do is to find this option, automatic system updates. We can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember about updating your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.